You know, we really only think about our tonsils when we've got a sore throat, right? But what if? What if they're the hidden culprit behind snoring, those restless nights, and that chronic fatigue you just can't shake? Today, we're exploring a modern laser treatment that gets right to the root of these common breathing and sleep issues for both kids and adults.
Breathe better, sleep better, live better. I mean, isn't that the goal for all of us? It's what every family is striving for. But how do you even get there when something is quietly messing with your sleep night after night? In this explainer, we're going to walk through a gentler, more modern way to make this a reality.
So I want you to really think about this question for a second. We're all programmed to react to things like pain or an infection. But what if the real problem, the one that's causing all the downstream effects, is a silent struggle for air that's happening while you sleep? That's exactly what we're digging into today.
Okay, so this brings us to the core of it all, the unseen airway problem. And it's called that for a reason. It often hides in plain sight, causing symptoms we might just brush off as normal or totally unrelated.
The official medical term is tonsillar hypertrophy. But all that really means is that the tonsils, which are a part of our immune system, just don't shrink back down like they're supposed to. They stay swollen, sometimes for years, and end up physically blocking the very space that air needs to get through.
So, how does this actually show up in daily life? Well, for a child, it might look like constant snoring, tossing and turning all night, or maybe even what looks like a focus problem in school. For an adult, it's that deep-down fatigue that's there even after a full 8 hours. These aren't just personality quirks, they are often direct signs of a blocked airway.
And what's great is that this isn't just guesswork. Professionals have a really clear visual scale to grade this. You can see here, grade 1 tonsils are pretty much tucked away. By grade 2, they're starting to peek out, but just look at grade 3, and especially grade 4. Wow, the tonsils are practically touching, leaving almost no room for air. This is a real physical obstruction.
This is where things get really serious. I mean, it's one thing to snore a little bit, but what actually happens to the body, to a child's development when this goes on, unaddressed, for years? Let's take a closer look.
The consequences just ripple outwards. Poor sleep quality affects literally everything, from your mood to your immune system, and the long-term impact is huge. In children, chronic mouth breathing can actually change how their face and jaw develop. In adults, it can increase the risk for serious issues like high blood pressure. This is definitely not a small problem.
But there is some really good news here. For so long, the choice felt like you either do nothing or you go through a pretty aggressive surgery. But today, we have a much gentler, modern solution to talk about.
It's called laser tonsil reduction. Now, the key difference here is that instead of completely removing the tonsils, a super precise laser simply shrinks them down. The source material uses this great analogy: selective downsizing. I love that. You get to keep the important immune tissue, but you reduce the bulk to open up that critical airway.
This comparison chart just makes the difference so clear. Look at the recovery time. We're talking days, not weeks. And the pain level, mild to moderate versus significant. For any family, especially if you have a young child, these differences are an absolute game changer. The laser offers a much less invasive way to solve the obstruction.
Now, any procedure is only as good as the philosophy that guides it. And honestly, that's what makes this approach so different. It's not just about using a laser, it's about understanding the whole person attached to those tonsils.
And that philosophy comes from Dr. Jiyoung Jung. Her entire practice is built on this powerful connection between what's happening in your mouth and your total body wellness. So she's not just looking at a patient's throat, she's asking, how is their airway impacting their entire life? It's a perspective that's earned her recognition as one of D Magazine's best dentists for 5 years in a row.
This quote from her viral TEDx talk, "The teeth are a gateway to your well-being," just perfectly sums up her belief. The mouth isn't some separate island, it's the entry point. What happens there truly impacts everything else. I highly recommend you go watch the full talk. It is a real eye-opener.
So this philosophy is organized into what she calls the 3 pillars of well-being. First, there's structural balance. That's the physical blockage from the tonsils we've been talking about and how that affects your jaw. Second is chemical balance, what's causing the inflammation that keeps the tonsils big in the first place. And third, there's emotional balance. How is that chronic lack of good sleep affecting your mood and your focus? It's a truly complete way to look at the problem. So with all this information, the big question is, who is this actually for? How would you know if you, or maybe your child, might be a good candidate for this?
So who does this help? Well, it's for kids who are showing those classic signs we talked about: the mouth breathing, the snoring, the restless sleep.
It's for adults who are just so tired of never feeling truly rested. And really importantly, it's for anyone who's looking for an effective solution without that long, painful recovery of a traditional tonsillectomy.
Okay, so if any of this is starting to sound familiar, if it's resonating with you, the path forward is actually clear, simple, and all about getting real answers. The journey always begins with a thorough evaluation. This is not about jumping to a procedure. It's about using advanced diagnostics and a really detailed clinical exam to fully understand what's causing the symptoms. The whole goal is clarity. No more guesswork. If you'd like to explore this for yourself or for your child, the very first step is to schedule a consultation with Dr. Jung and her team at Central Park Dental and Orthodontics. You can just reach out to them at the number right there on your screen. Their office is located right in Mansfield, Texas, and they serve the entire DFW Metroplex. You can also find a ton of great information about their unique whole-body approach on their website. I want to leave you with this one last thought. We often take breathing for granted, but it is the foundation of our health, of our vitality. And when that foundation is shaky, night after night, it affects absolutely everything. The real question isn't just about snoring or tonsils, it's about protecting the very essence of your well-being.